In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble an SEG Lightbox. First, install the corner connector hardware into the channels on each frame extrusion to connect each corner together. Tighten the corner connector screws with the Allen key provided. Connect the light bars together by plugging in the cords on each corner. Now it's time to install the backer fabric. Flip the frame over and insert the silicone beading into the channel around the perimeter of the frame, starting with the corners. Do not install the silicone beading with the silicone edge exposed. The fabric should wrap around the silicone beading. Next, insert the silicone beading into the channel for each side. Start at the center and move toward the corners. If applicable, slide the power cord through the hole in the backer fabric and connect the power supply. Next, flip the frame over and install the fabric graphic. Start with the corners, inserting the silicone beading into the channel. Tuck in the edges, starting from the center, working your way toward the corners. Lastly, plug in your Lightbox and you're ready to go.